Hello traders. In this video, we're looking at the Forex Trend Scanner Indicator for MT4 and MT5. We'll cover how the scanner appears on your chart, how its color-coded output on candles implies trend direction and strength, and what type of information it is designed to provide. Let's point to a load indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the Forex Trend Scanner Indicator colors the candlestick directly on the main chart, turning each bar into a visual snapshot of trend direction and momentum. Lime green candles indicate a strong bullish trend, while dark red candles indicate bearish momentum. Now these candles plot directly on the price candles, signaling the trend direction despite the movement in the candle. As you can see here, we have a red candle over here, but the indicator still plotted a green candle, indicating that we're still in a bullish trend despite the retracement. Now, by scanning across multiple bars, you can quickly see whether price is in a powerful advance, a fading move, or a robust decline without needing to interpret additional sub-window indicators. Now let's move over to its properties. We have the sensitivity that controls how responsive the scanner is to new price movement, influencing how quickly candles change color as conditions evolve. We also have the color of the candles, as you can see. And let's move over to who is for and its limitations. The Forex Trend Scanner Indicator is suited to traders who want an at a glance view of trend direction and strength using candle colors rather than separate lines or histograms in additional windows. Before I forget, the indicator has dark green candles. Despite the lime green candles that show bullish momentum is advancing, the dark green candles show that bullish momentum is weakening, while the dark red candles show that the bearish trend is losing strength. As you can see, the dark red candle before the change in trend direction, and these are the light red candles. The dark green candles before the change in trend direction, as you can see. This will tell you when the trend is weakening, strengthening, or in a robust decline. Now, what are its limitations? The indicator is a visual analytical tool only and does not execute or manage trades on MT4 or MT5. As with any trend-based scanner, color changes can occur more frequently in sideways or volatile markets, and readings are based on past price behavior. So it should be used alongside other technical analysis and risk management techniques rather than as a standalone signal generator. You can find the download link in the description below for the Forex Trend Scanner Indicator for MT4 and MT5. You can also read more about how it works and see additional examples on the Forex Geek website. If you like more content on scanners, dashboards, and trend tools, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications.